up, cables disconnected. We got George in the left lane and David in the right lane. And wait till you see these two cars in the dark. They have some very, very unique graphics on them. You folks are going to really like that later on tonight. This is just the first set. We're going to get the car position so they can get the batteries hooked up. Make some noise for them folks. All the way from New Hampshire here in the left lane with the black pearl. This is George's second year driving for the Doha team. George in the left lane grew up around drag racing, started helping his family and friends with their race cars, and he started out driving junior dragsters, winning races in the Northeast. They're getting the batteries hooked up now. Fuel system is getting charged up with some pressure. And they're going to start to bring them to life. We're going to grab the starter controls and hand that over to the driver. George gets that. One more time, make some big noise where they can hear you now, folks. Let them hear it.